Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Well, if you've got an F30, this is an F30 Sport, but if you've got an F30 with this style of front spoiler, you'll notice that mine has got a little bit missing. Just here, there's supposed to be an extra little piece. Well, I've bought the new piece, and I thought I would experiment and go just a cheapy China one. See, there's the part number. That's the genuine BMW part number, but as the rest of that label infers, this is a Chinese copy rather than the BMW genuine part. Now, I got to tell you, initially, I was a little bit worried as to what was going to turn up, but I'm very, very happy with the fit and finish of this. It looks an exact copy for this guy here. So we're going to switch him out because, yeah, as I said, this here has been broken off, and you can see the front part here is gone as well. So this little part here is missing on mine, as well as that front bit. So we're going to swap him out, and I've got this here because, as you can see, there's no screws or fittings. It is just a clip fit all the way around. So we're going to have to work our way around all the clips, and there's a lip here, as you can see. So we're going to have to work our way in to be able to wobble this guy off and get him to wobble this one off, sorry. And then we'll show you what it's like underneath, and we will show you how to get this one back in. That's where you can see exactly where each of these clips are and work out what is needed to unclip them. Now under here, you can see up in there, you see that clip? All you've got to do is get a screwdriver or something onto the middle of it and lift it, and then that one's actually out. And then you move along to the next one, find it, and the same thing. I'm just using a normal screwdriver. This one's very rounded off and blunt, so it's not going to scratch things. But just copying where they are here on this, and finding each clip and taking them off, because there's no screws holding it, it's just clips all the way, and then we'll remove him. Well, there she goes, she's out. And we've managed to just by taking time and working with these clips, we've not broken anything inside here, because you want to be able to clip the new part straight back in. And mine totally came out in pieces. The plastic was quite hard, and it really did come out in pieces, so that was a bit interesting. But just as I flexed it and moved it along, it did come to pieces. This one here is very hard to get at, the clip that goes in here. You'll see that when you're working on it, but anyway, just persevering, working the clips one at a time. As with this sort of stuff, always start at one end, work your way along, then you can lever it out and keep the clips out so they don't clip back in again. And now I've transferred over this silver piece because it wasn't broken, so I could keep that. That's a separate part number and a separate part. Now I'll give that a clean, but then it's just a matter of sliding that back into place, and job done, should be swapped over. Okay, so I've given it a bit of a clean. So here we're just going to line up these clips, and there we go. That's in. Job done. Well done. None of it, no undercovers removed, no covers, wheel covers removed, all of it done from the front.